neon turned to headlines overnight. One spark lighting up a restless crowd. We kept our hearts steady through the noise and the rush, never letting all the praise get loud. Every open door felt wild and new, but we held on tight to the fire we knew. We felt the ground start shaking under our feet, a rumble turning into a wildfire beat. We rise like thunder, coming in hot, hearts on fire with everything we got. From the back room shadows to the front row lights, we're the spark that explodes into glory tonight. Oh, we rise, yeah, we rise like thunder. The radio caught us on a midnight spin, rolling through the dark of a world gone cold. One song climbing like a runaway train, every note we played turned into gold. But we kept our boots on solid ground, still the same wild hearts the world sees now. The crowd got louder but we stayed true, still the same wild souls we always knew. We rise like thunder, coming in hot, hearts on fire with everything we got. From the back room shadows to the front row lights, we're the spark that explodes into glory tonight. Oh, we rise, yeah, we rise like thunder. Hands up, hear the roar, this is what we're fighting for. Every voice, every night, turns our spark into a sky full of light. We remember where we came from, always will. But damn, this dream is real. Now it's stadium lights and a sea of flame, crowd singing every song we wrote.